Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're just going to be doing some random work in the house, cooking, going to the supermarket for shopping and all that. That is what we're going to be doing in today's video. So I'm here, I'm getting ready to go to the supermarket, but my kids, they are still sleeping. So my daughter, two of my daughters, they're sleeping. So before I will be leaving to the supermarket, my first sister, she is awake. Then I ask her to take care of her younger sister because that one she's still sleeping, so she will help me to take care of her. But I'm taking my son along with me to the supermarket. I can't leave him at home. Hi, can you say hi? So now I'm at the supermarket. I'm just checking out the things I want to buy from the supermarket, the veggies, this, that. I'm just walking around the supermarket using one hand to push stroller. So I'm in the cars now. I want to pay at the cars. So this is what I got in the supermarket. So the guy in the cars is attending to me. So I'm about to pay for my things now. I just finished paying. Then I'm packing it into my shopping bag. I come with my shopping bag from home. I don't want to buy in the supermarket, so I come with it from home. The supermarket, I empty I bought this cheese and pizza. They were sleeping when I left to the supermarket. I bought carrots, another cheese, milk, one carton of milk. The remaining one I drop it in the garage. I can't be bringing all of it in the house. Go and sit down. Chips. Yeah. I bought one carton of milk, which is 12. I leave. The remaining 11 are in the basement, so I can't be bringing all of them into the house because it's too heavy for me. When my husband is coming back from work, he's gonna get it. He's gonna bring it. I bought apple. I bought what's this one? Bell pepper. Okay, bell pepper. Bell pepper, right? I bought juice. I just wanted to try it.
Yeah, and carrots.
Let me try it. Oh, stop. So I bought this one. What's this one?
It's fine.
Oh, baby chamomilla.
Baby chamomilla.
Yes, I bought 3 of this. I bought yogurt forever. So I bought flavor for my pancake, just in case I want to make pancake. This is the flavor I'm using. So I bought a Go Bear and Gummy Bear. And I got
white chocolate.
Okay, white chocolate. And what's this one?
Green beans.
Green beans. Peeled one, right? Peeled beans. It's finished. That is what I got from the supermarket today.
Wow,
a lot. Yeah, a lot. You like it? And I spent a lot of money. Then you will eat. You don't want to eat pizza. So this is the milk. This one is 11. I took one from it before. Picking out the meat I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be making gizzard sauce as well. So this is the gizzard I'm going to be using. So here are the turkeys I'm going to be using. So we're going to be frying turkey today. I got from the supermarket. I'm going to be putting it in my food basket. So my microwave stay on top of my fridge because I don't have a place to put it because my kitchen is so small. So I'm going to be putting the apple in my fruit basket. I like eating apples a lot because Whenever I finish eating my food, I will just go and grab one apple. I don't know why I like apple. Apple is my favorite fruit, and this one is bad. It stays here because I like putting it a place that will be high. Some people do leave their fruit on their dining table, in the middle of the dining table, but I put my own here because my kids, if I put it on my dining table, they will go and be playing with it, so it stays here. Maybe when my kids are older, then I can put it on the middle. So now I just want to do some little cleaning before I left for the supermarket. Why? Because my children are still sleeping, so I didn't get the chance to make my bed and all that. So since I'm back now, I just want to make my bed and clean my room and make it look neat before I start any other thing for the day. I don't want to leave my room scattered while I'm in the kitchen cooking. I want my room to stay neat. So if I'm in the kitchen, I will know that I just want to cook, maybe shower the kids and rest for the rest of the day. Not that me, after cooking, then I will come to the room, then I will come back to the room, start cleaning the room. So I'm done cleaning my room. I'm going to my daughter's room to clean it as well. So I just want to spray their bed and just clean it now, so to make it look neat. See, this is my baby boy. He always like me carrying him on my back. Sometimes my back will be paining me, but what will I do now as a mother? So I need to do my duty as a mother, you understand? Maybe you just want to relax in my back. You just want me to cuddle him with my back. So I'm here now. What will I do? So I'm carrying him on my back while walking in the house. So see me, I'm preparing my daughter's pillow. Here are the things I'm going to be using for my fried rice. I just washed. I washed it. So I just peeled my carrots, removed the bad part from my peeled beans and my pepperoni. So bell pepper. So I just finished cleaning it up. Then I'm going to be slicing it for my fried rice. I'm going to be making fried rice today. So I'm going to be slicing all of this one. And here is my turkey. Here is the turkey. It's washed, seasoning. Then I'm going to be cooking it. Yes, I'm going to be cooking it now. And I'm going to be making gizzard sauce as well. This one is gizzard seasoning. So I'm going to be cooking it as well. So this is fried rice. I'm making fried rice today. I'm making fried rice. I love fried rice. I like eating fried rice. So I'm going to be making fried rice today. Here. So I'm going to be adding some water. So I want to remove my flour from here. So I'll put it this way. So I'm going to be covering it now. Then I'll go ahead and slice. So I'll look for the cover of this one. Then I'll cover it as well. Covered. Let me add it to cook before I fry. So I'm going to be slicing my veggies. I'm going to be slicing these veggies. So now I'm going to be chopping all the vegetables and cut it into pieces just the way I like it. I don't want it that big. I don't want it that small. I don't know. See the way I'm cutting it. So this is how I like my veggies to be in my fried rice, because I'm going to be preparing fried rice. So this is how I just like my veggies to be in my fried rice. So me cutting it. See the way I'm serious. See the way I'm serious cutting the veggies as if it's one hard thing that I'm doing.
It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? I'm just trying to break through, but you make it hard when you...
So me cutting the veggies, I'm boiling some turkey that I'm going to be using for the fried rice as well. So at the same time, I'm cleaning my dining table because this dining table is such a mess. They eat on the dining, their fingerprints are all on the dining, so I need to clean it and make it look more neat because they will be playing around there. I just want everywhere to be neat. And as well, I'm going to be sweeping because they mess up everywhere. Look at everywhere, cheese, biscuit, whatsoever on the floor. So I just want to sweep it again and make it. This is my third time sweeping today. So, and that's not all. I'm going to sweep again like 3 times again before we go to bed. So, and I just want to make everywhere to look neat. And slicing all my veggies. So here is my carrot and onion, green beans, peeled beans, and my pepperoni, bell pepper, my stock water. I'm going to be making a gizzard sauce as well. So here is my gizzard. This one is this is liver, not my liver. This is liver. So I'm just going to start by preparing the gizzard before we start making the fried rice. So let's start with my hair. It's as if like you want to sleep, so I just want to put him on my back so he can sleep. And look at him, he's even sleeping already. So he can sleep, then I'll go and lie him down so I can continue my cooking in peace, you know. Me carrying him on my back like this, but what to do now? This is motherhood, right? Yes, it's motherhood. He's sleeping already, and I'm just gonna allow him to just stay on my back like 5 minutes. Then I'll go and lie him down on his bed. So as I said before, I'm going to be making gizzard sauce. So these are the onions, tomatoes, pepper. I've blended that I want to use for my gizzard sauce. So these are the things I'm going to be using for the gizzard sauce. So boom, here is the gizzard. I've already boiled the gizzard and all, so I just pour it in my sauce that I just make. So before I will start making the fried rice. So this is the way I make my fried rice. This is the stock water I got from the turkey earlier. Then I'm going to be adding some rice into it, then I will just boil it.
You hear screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? Just trying to break through, but you make it hard when you act how you do. 'Cause you're speaking in tongues, you take the breath from my lungs. I should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration?
So I'm done cooking now. So tired, I'm so exhausted. So yeah, I'm done cooking I'm done making my fried rice. So here I make the gizzard sauce. Here is the gizzard sauce. So this one is fried turkey for the fried rice, right? There's no fried rice without turkey. Here is the turkey, and here is the fried rice. Just look at now. Look at. I'm so exhausted. Just look at my fried rice. It's yummy, yummy, yummy. See, so yummy. So I have some veggies here. just in case maybe I want to make vegetables noodles, so I can use this vegetables to make my noodles. I'm so exhausted. I don't even know what to say. I'm just tired. So I want to do my dishes and clean up my kitchen, keep everywhere neat and tidy. So I'll go take my shower. No, before I take my shower, I'll first of all bathe the kids. When I finish bathing my 3 children, I have 3 children. So too much stress. So when I finish bathing my 3 kids, then I'll go take my shower. I don't know, before maybe 9 till 7 o'clock I might finish, so I'll just relax for the rest of the day. So I'm going to be ending this vlog here. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I say do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and give it a thumbs up, and see you guys on my next one. Bye.